So I've been pushing my body's limits for decades now, from motocross, bodybuilding, Ironman, triathlon, ultramarathon, you name it, that's what I do. And with every new challenge, I unearth new science, new technology to help me go to that next level and be the best that I can possibly be. And not only that, I feel and I know through quantification that I'm able to improve my longevity and my health span in the process. So here's a list of some of the principles that I apply to myself that you can try and see if they work for you. Sauna. I like to do a sauna about 2 to 5 times a week for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now the benefits that you can get from sauna is better collagen production, better skin, detoxification of heavy metal contaminants, testosterone and natural growth hormone optimization, and it makes you feel good. Ice bath. I like to do ice baths probably about 5 to 7 times a week. And I'll do that for about 3 minutes, making sure that I submerge my neck, my thyroid as well, because we have what's called the vagus nerve on the back of our neck. That is what helps with emotional stability. So I think that's very important. Also helps with fat mobilization. It helps with blood glucose regulation as well, and with inflammation. Hyperbaric oxygen chamber therapy. I like to do that at a minimum once a week, and I'll do that for about 60 minutes. Now this really helps with oxygenation of the body, helps with recovery, immunity, and it can help with anti-aging as well. We have something called telomeres, which dictate our biological age over our chronological age, and studies have shown that it can actually help with the prevention of the shortening of those telomeres. Red light therapy. Now I like to do my red light therapy every single morning for about 20 minutes. The reason why I do this is because it helps with collagen production, it helps set my circadian rhythm for better sleep, as well as testosterone release and growth hormone release. Blocking blue light. Now it's very important that we block artificial blue light because it does raise our cortisol levels. And if we're trying to build muscle or lose body fat, then we need to bring those cortisol levels down. So I'll do that by wearing blue light blocking glasses with a yellow lens during the day, because I want to have a little bit of artificial light to keep my cortisol levels just slightly elevated, but not too much. But then in the evening, I'll wear the red lens blue light blocking glasses because I want to release melatonin to have a better night's sleep and keep those cortisol levels down when they should be. Earthing, or grounding as it's sometimes referred to. Now the way that I do it, in the summer I'll try to go outside and I'll take my shoes and socks off and I will just walk barefoot in the grass. Or sometimes when I'm working at my computer, I have a mat that my feet are placed on that again plugs into the wall when I'm earthed. I even have conducting bars that go through the inside of my shoes to the outside of my shoes when I'm traveling a lot. EMF mitigation. With my phone, I have a case that mitigates a lot of the EMF. I also have a pad that goes on my lap should I be using a laptop that again mitigates it. And I even have EMF blocking underwear. And I'm doing this all the time just to ensure that I'm not getting all the possible damaging protocols that's coming in from all these signals. Because I'm getting penetrated by X-rays, by Wi-Fi, by EMFs, satellite signals that can penetrate you. So I find that in this day and age is essential. Meditation and mindfulness. I will meditate every single day for about 10 to 15 minutes just to set my intention for that day. And so I like to do it in the morning. And then throughout the day, I'm trying to be mindful, to put myself in a parasympathetic state, which will help with lowering cortisol levels and helps with digestion as well. Apollo Neuro. This is a wearable that helps me quantify various things. There's various settings that help with different frequencies, whether that be for relaxation, for sleep, for focus, for energy, and I'll wear this for about 3 to 5 times a week. NutriSense. Now this is a 24-hour blood glucose monitor that I'd wear every day. And this really helps measure my blood glucose spikes, which really helps with my body composition goals of keeping my body fat low whilst I'm trying to build muscle. Now, I don't expect you to go out and buy all these shiny biohacking objects and invest thousands of dollars. There's 4 of these things that you can do right now that aren't going to cost you anything, okay? Number 1, go out, earth, ground yourself. Just take your shoes and socks off and stretch. Do some walking, whatever, outside for about 10 minutes. Cold therapy, you can have an ice bath. Have a cold shower, you can do that every morning. Block blue light. Don't put on your phone, your TV, or computer for about an hour or 2 before bed. And number 4, meditation. Set your intention for the day by finding a quiet spot in your house for about 10 minutes. So remember, doctors will not make you healthy. Nutritionists will not make you slim. Trainers will not make you fit. You have to take responsibility with consistency and with discipline, and you have to control your own environment.